a house that reflects the personality of its resident, expressing feelings about design, architecture, and the environment. I'm going to talk about a beautiful house that seems to have been created not by an architect, but by an artist who infused the project with his inner self, creating something that is nothing short of paradise. The Nirmalvan House, designed by the Design Work Group, is a marvel of biophilic design, utilizing ancient architectural elements to articulate a home that feels like a true habitat. With the appearance of an ancient serene monastery, the entrance is lined with mango trees on both sides and surrounded by a stunning natural landscape. As you pass through the small entrance pavilion and arrive at the spacious water courtyard at the entry, surrounded by trees and a serene atmosphere, you are immediately welcomed into the open interiors. From the outside, it seems impossible to notice that this biophilic house is divided into 4 sections with excellent landscaping. The house is a pinnacle of tropical architecture design with touches of Japanese style. The courtyards have been carefully planned with water ponds filled with lotuses and native trees, enhancing the sense of natural beauty. The layout was designed so that the house gradually reveals itself, taking you on an experiential journey throughout. Located near Surat, the property offers a captivating panoramic view of the river and mango trees on the other side. The dining area is strategically located next to the water pond. Spatial sequencing, framing of views, and light control strategies were used to create various atmospheres and experiences throughout the house. Modernist architecture meets tropical architecture in the Nirmalvan House, resulting in a serene, tranquil structure. The concept was to create a villa where each block has its own features without interfering with the others. Therefore, central areas for living, dining, and bedrooms were designed with maximum views. The living room is like a lightweight glass box, offering an extended view of the garden and creating a subtle, integrated connection with the outdoor environment. Textured lime walls, Indian stone flooring, and naturally finished teak ceilings form the basic elements of these interiors. The infinity pool offers a spectacular view of the sunset and the river, creating the feeling of an endless horizon. With modest furnishings and an interior design style reminiscent of mid-century modern, the living room presents a simple yet elegant look. Despite the large space, there are no excesses, and the ambiance feels delightful. In the majestic courtyards, the senses and beauty are maximized. Flowing water creates a calming sound, combined with beautiful natural views and fresh air, balancing the senses of sound, sight, and breath. The entire biophilic house is thoughtfully landscaped with diverse types of vegetation. The bedrooms are located on the upper floor, naturally well lit with incredible views of the courtyard on one side and the river on the other. With modest furnishings, the bedrooms have some houseplants that maintain the biophilic touch. The Nirmalvan House combines multiple senses through its integration with nature, unfinished and minimalist materials, utilizing the biophilic home concept. The best part of the house is its excellent natural light, ventilation, and balanced interior landscaping. It's as if the architects were inspired by traditional Indian homes, which often had a central courtyard with views of the open sky, while at the same time paying great attention to preserving family privacy in a serene environment through nature.